Building with Papa. All right, I'm going to install this PVC shower pan. Make sure it's at least 2 feet longer and 2 feet wider when you purchase it. All right, I work on the back wall first so I can get my PVC down flush to the ground, and I tack it to the studs. Then I work both sides of the walls. Then I work the curb. Once you have it all in there, now your drain is there. You have to cut an X right where the drain hole is, and then cut the PVC out. Be careful, don't cut it too wide. You got to cut a little bit where each of the bolts are, and you're going to need some hot glue. All right, you're going to want to put it generously underneath the pan and on the top of the flange. I've already done parts of it. I'm just going to show you this last end that I'm doing. And you get it right in between on both. Get it all the way around. Use it generously. And push your nuts through, your bolts, and put your flange on. You may have to loosen them up a little. And then there you go. Tighten them up. And once it dries, it'll create a nice seal. All right, that's how you do your shower pan. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, see you on the next one.